Today, we are gonna introduce the installation tutorial of the high voltage energy storage batteries to you. Please check whether the deliverables are intact and complete, and read the instructions carefully before you start. In the first step, place the base on the ground. You can also install adjustable feet to change the height to fit the zone. If possible, please use the gradient to keep the base clinic. Then twist the dowel pin into the base and put the first battery pack on the base. After that, twist the dowel pin into the first battery pack. Put the second battery pack onto the first pack. According to your need, put the remaining battery packs onto the second battery pack. This time we take the 6 layers batteries as an example. That's to say, the whole system can store 15.36 kilowatt hours of electricity. Fix an L-shaped metal part with the battery using expansion bolts. Put the cover onto the battery pack and fix it with a battery pack using screws. Connect to the ground with a small metal plate. Connect to the power and communication cable respectively in series. Now, the batteries have already been assembled. Long press the power button for 5 seconds to launch the batteries. They are on when the left light turns red and the right turns green fully for several seconds. Now they are in working order. The batteries will be off after a long press power button for 5 seconds. That's all there is. More details you may be interested in can be found in our installation guide, or you can contact us immediately.